The way this COVID is behaving is leading to a lot of inflammation in the lungs and the chest. Now, this inflammation in the lungs and the chest, which is one of the effects of this COVID, the new variant that's taking place, is leading to congestion, and that's why the oxygen is required. Now, keeping that in mind, just simply having a large space and just having the beds may not serve the kind of purpose that we would like to. The oxygen cylinders and the concentrators and the different supply chain will have to be worked out on that angle. So therefore, we can create those beds, but without the facility, number one, and without the requisite manpower to handle it, it will not serve the purpose. So all of these need to be looked into. So that's why we are going in a very, very planned manner. And as I said, we are creating this kind of a system. In this also, I would like to mention here that the involvement of the community and the awareness among the people is also very important. Now, there are a lot of cases which are coming up where people are not realizing or not being able to respond to certain symptoms that they're showing. And according to the AIIMS protocols that have been given to the states, a lot of the stress on the system can be avoided if we are able to educate the people to be able to take preventive measures even at home or even in the village level. So therefore, there are a lot of other medications for immunity, for antiviral medicines that are there that can be taken, which are easily, readily available. So these measures can also be done at a local level. You can monitor the oximeters and ensure that your oxygen level is not going down below a certain level. So if this kind of awareness program, which we have worked on, can be done at a large scale, then we should be able to avoid maybe 30-40% of the cases to come up to the to Shillong or to Tura, which need not come up. So therefore, sometimes people are not able to differentiate between how serious the things are and what can be handled at home and at the village level or district level, and what needs to come to the hospitals. So that awareness also is part of our strategy, which we have started doing, and we're preparing small pamphlets, booklets for the villagers to be able to take care of some of the cases at least, which can be managed at the local level.